Hey Taurus, how are you? Today I'm gonna do a general love reading for you. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Okay, guys, let's jump right in. Let's see. What's the message for Taurus, please? General message for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What does Taurus need to know? What's going on? Okay, Taurus. What do we have for you? Let's see. Temperance, Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands. Okay. Temperance, Sag energy, Sagittarius, Seven of Swords, Aquarius, Seven of Wands, Leo. Okay. Taurus, what's going on? Okay, now with the Temperance card here, this is showing me that you've been going through a healing process, spiritual transformation, alchemy from heart and mind. This is a rather spiritual card for me. Um, yeah, it also talks about patience, but I feel as though you are a rather patient sign, so that's normal for you. But the spiritual transformation, it's pretty good. I mean, you've been balancing yourself, taking the road of um, sorry, I cannot find my words. The middle way, the middle path, being moderate, not going into extremes. That's pretty cool, Taurus. But with the Seven of Swords and the Seven of Wands, yes, you've been quite adamant, quite assertive, standing your ground about this transformation. But what about the Seven of Swords? What you're trying to get away with, or to just, for me, this is a card of escapism, being sneaky, not being honest, just ego. For me, this card is ego and someone that's not honest. So what's going on? Let's see. Justice, the Devil, Four of Swords, again a card of healing. Yes, you've been in this energy of just keeping it, um, taking it easy, vibing by yourself, just resting, regrouping, or just focusing on yourself, on your growth, on your healing. Perhaps you've been meditating and balancing. Again, you see a card of balance, truth, fairness. Justice is Libra. Sorry, guys. The signs that I see here is Libra with the Justice card, Capricorn with the Devil, and Four of Swords is Libra as well. You could be dealing with a Libra. You see, this is quite interesting how the Devil is below the Seven of Swords. Yes, I was feeling ego from here, not being honest, trying to sneak around or just avoid something that you need to face straight head on. You're trying to avoid it. You're trying to go around it. You're not showing up completely with a person, with a situation. Ego. Shadow side. Your shadow side, your ego. Um, what is this? Attachments, toxicity, codependency, abuse, obsession, restriction of the mind, and patterns, right? Destructive patterns and toxic cycles that we keep repeating in our lives. And I feel as though it has something to do with not being honest, Taurus. I feel as though you keep lying to yourself, and that you lie to yourself, and at the same time you lie to others because you cannot give what you don't give to yourself. But these two cards are very positive. What I feel as though is that you're very focused and just super determined to heal, to work on yourself, to process, I don't know, your emotions, your thoughts, the things that you've been through, your life experiences, your relationships, your whole life. I feel as though you're in this energy of just um, looking within, reflecting. That's quite good. But these two cards, oh man, you see they're in the middle, in between your healing, your I'm feeling as though this is a block for you. You try to do the right thing, you try to heal, you try to work on yourself, you try to improve your life, to come from a place of integrity, to grow, to mature, but you have this block in here, this ego, these toxic patterns, perhaps some trauma that you haven't healed, something within yourself that you can't face, and you keep on avoiding it. Let's see. Six of Cups, Five of Cups, Ten of Cups. Okay. All right. I'm feeling this transformation you're going through, this healing process. Um, it was triggered by someone from your past. Very special and powerful connection you've got going on here. Six of Cups can represent a past life soulmate, person that you have a strong bond with. You care and love each other very much. You, you could be at a distance or just separated for the time being, but you're thinking of them, you miss them, you still feel connected, and you want to balance the scales and heal this relationship and yourself in order to for the greater good. You see again, we have the Five of Cups. Another, this is a Scorpio. I'm sorry. Six of Cups is Scorpio. Five of Cups is Scorpio too. Ten of Cups is Pisces. Again, you see a card, a heavy card. This is heavy energy as well. The Five of Cups is a lot of regret, sadness, pain, loss, depression. Again, you see the block. I mean, you cannot make this shit up. This is not a coincidence that these three cards are in the middle and they're blocking you. This is your past. This is your future, possible future. 10 of Cups. Happiness, domestic bliss, love, family. I really feel that you do want this with this person from your past. You're gonna get there because you're working on yourself. But this block, Taurus, you harbor a rather you harbor plenty of pain and sadness within you. You could have a little bit of depression. That's okay. We all go through that. You're not defective or wrong or whatever. It's just part of life. But I feel like you could be struggling with that, but you are doing something about it. Okay? But it's a block for you, but you can do it, Taurus. You can get over this for the greater good. First of all, for yourself, for your greater good, and then it's going to bring a greater good for your person and for your life as a whole. Let's see, let's clarify. The Sun at the bottom of the deck. Yes, you're going straight towards happiness, enlightenment, fulfillment, joy, good times. Yes. Very nice. Okay, guys, let's see. Oh. Let's clarify. Tell me about the Seven of Swords, please. Why the Seven of Swords? Why the Seven of Swords, please? Why the Seven of Swords? Okay, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords, please. Seven of Swords. What's the Seven of Swords, please? Why the Seven of Swords? I'm feeling as though you lost this person from the past. You're in this place of loss, like you're mourning their your breakup. You feel like you lost them. But you are still quite connected on an energetic level. This is a very powerful connection. But right now, you are grieving. Okay, we have the Chariot. But you're getting back together. Possible future. 10 of Cups. Tell me about the Seven of Swords, please. Thank you. Okay. We have um, the Eight of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles is Earth energy, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. The Chariot is Cancer. The Eight of Pentacles is Virgo, and the Ten of Wands is Sag energy. Okay. This is rather conflictive energy because I feel like you do want to go ahead and offer and begin something solid and committed with your person. And you're feeling quite confident about it. You want to go, you want to go forward, make this happen. You're working on it, on making this happen, this new beginning. But then we have the Ten of Wands. It also brings you a lot of burdens and just heavy energy. Like you, wow. Like you cannot quite make it, but at the same time, you do want to. I also feel like you focus a lot on your work, on your job, on your career to keep yourself busy. So you don't have to think about the situation right here from the past, from your person that you miss, that you lost, that you are sad about. You miss them very much. And so you focus on your work, but it's quite a burden for you. You could also be having plenty of work. Like, I feel as though you could be a little bit of a workaholic. That's fine. I'm not judging. And it's becoming a burden for you. But you also feel burdened because you do know you have to do something about this situation. And you don't know if, I mean, I feel like you can move forward with this new beginning with your person, but maybe you're not sure if this person is going to take you back, if that makes any sense, guys. I hope, I don't know, maybe I hope it's resonating with you. Even if it's not, don't worry about it. Okay, tell me about the devil, please. I'm also getting that you're going through this transformation on working on yourself, like growing and healing and transforming, right? And balancing the skills within yourself and for this relationship with this soulmate. Something happened in the past, perhaps um, that made you part ways, and you want to make things right. You want to mend things. Tell me about the devil, please. Tell me about the devil, please. Page of Swords. Tell me more about the devil, please. Why the devil? Tell me about the devil, please. What's going on? Devil. Thank you. Okay. We have 5 of Wands and the Hierophant. Page of Swords is Aquarius, air energy, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. 5 of Wands is Leo, and the Hierophant is you, Taurus. Okay, Taurus energy. Let's see. I feel this conflict is within you. This is you. And you're conflicted. Rather conflicted. Tell me more about the devil, please. Emperor. The Emperor is Aries energy. Tell me more about the devil, please. The devil. Judgment. Pluto's energy. Okay, the Emperor, remember, it's also Divine Masculine's energy. I'm getting this energy of you just being so stubborn, like you don't want to budge. There's something going on, some struggle, some conflict that you're not resolving. You just think about it, you just contemplate it, but you don't you make a lot of judgments about it, but you can't face yourself, you can't admit you cannot take accountability, you're a little bit rigid, controlling at times, you're very set on your ways, and yeah, that's the devil energy. But you're taking it to a whole different level, Taurus. I don't want to sound rude, okay? I'm just telling you what I'm getting, what I'm picking up on the energy and the cards. Yes, you're just contemplating, you're thinking about it, about all this conflict. Yeah, you had I feel this conflict is within yourself, and it also brought a lot of conflicts and problems and struggles and just drama for your life, for your relationship, and you don't want to budge. You are you have a lot of pride, very set on your ways. You're a little bit judgmental, but at the same time, this card is telling me that you are there's space for growth, for healing, for forgiveness. This card talks about forgiveness as well. And I feel like you are growing and healing, and that can, if you connect with your heart, with your higher self, you start to work on healing and forgiving yourself and others. You can move forward and get to this 10 of cups. Let's see. Tell me about the 6 of cups, please. 6 of cups. The judgment and the temperance card also talk about reconciliation. That's pretty clear that you want to reconcile from with your person from the past. Tell me about the 6 of cups, please. We have the 7 of pentacles and the lovers. Okay. Gemini and Taurus energy, the 7 of pentacles. One more card for the 6 of cups, please. Two cards. 4 of Wands, Aries. Ace of Wands. I'm sorry, Page of Wands. Fire energy too. Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, you love this person, you see? The King of Cups. Okay, Taurus. More contemplation. Thinking about this situation with your person. Strong soulmate vibes again. The Lovers and 6 of Cups. You have to make a choice. If you move forward, if you move on with your life, or if you make this happen. You have faith, and you have this is quite a positive card. This is an energy of someone looking forward to the future, what can bring growth, expansion, for me at least, for me as a reader. A lot of passion. And the 4 of Wands, you could be dealing with a twin flame, soulmate, strong connection, marriage, commitment, celebration, family, happiness, solid foundation. You do want this, but you're thinking about it. I feel as though, well, you're a Taurus, right? You take things slow, step by step. That's fine. You're contemplating all the things that happened in the past. You know you want to be with this person. Let's see. What else do Taurus need to know? Let's ask about your person. How's Taurus person feeling right now? What are their feelings towards Taurus? Three of Pentacles. That's Capricorn energy. King of Cups. Well, Taurus, let me tell you that your person loves you, and they want to collaborate with you. They want to work with you. They want to meet you halfway. We have the Five of Pentacles. But right now they feel emotional distance from you. They could feel abandoned. They could feel like you left them out in the cold. But they still love you. There's distance between you two. Because I feel as though you're separated and you could also live at a distance. But they love you. And they want to work things out. But right now they feel very distant from you. Like you left them. Perhaps you were the one that broke this off. Two of Pentacles. Okay. I feel like your person goes back and forth between I miss Taurus, I want to work things out, blah blah, but I feel like they abandoned me, they left me, they don't care about me, you know what I mean? But in the center of themselves, like within themselves, deep down their hearts, they love you. You have a very strong bond. Soulmates, you could say. Let's see, Taurus. What's a possible future outcome for Taurus regarding this spread, please? Seven of Swords again. That's Aquarius energy. Possible future outcome for this situation that Taurus is dealing with. Possible future outcome, please. Again. Four of Swords again. Libra. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay. The Wheel of Fortune talks about karma, changes, the wheel turning for your favor. I feel, Taurus, that you really need to work on yourself and heal yourself and all that shit that you already know. And in order to come and do right by your person, because if you still carry all the shit, all the things that happened in the past and all your pain and your wounds or whatever you're dealing with within yourself, things are not going to get better. If you keep on deceiving yourself, coming from your ego, not connecting with your heart, not facing things, just it's not going to work out. Things can turn up for on your favor, but you really need to work and heal and think things through, reflect, heal. What's the advice for Taurus, please? Remember, nothing is set in stone. You have free will. So, Three of Wands. That's Aries. Advice for Taurus, please. Advice for Taurus, please. Okay. We have the Nine of Swords, Gemini, the Fool, earnest energy, could also be Aquarius, Four of Pentacles, that's Capricorn, and the Three of Wands, Aries. Okay, Taurus. You have a lot of expectations regarding this situation. You're waiting, you're expecting to have a new beginning. You want to take that leap of faith. You want to try again. But you are closed off, stressed out, having anxiety, you don't know what to do. I mean, this is your stubborn energy. Like, you know your feelings, you know you love your person, you know what's right, but you keep on being closed off, not budging, keeping everything to yourself. And that brings you a lot of conflict, pain, anxiety, stress, sleepless nights. And you're, Taurus, no one's doing this to yourself but you. This is your mind playing tricks on you. And you feel like you cannot open up. You see? This confirms the devil energy from the beginning. And I I feel like you have a lot of wounds and issues from your past that you haven't dealt with, you haven't healed, but you're working on it, okay? But as long as you don't heal those issues, you cannot move forward. Your life it's not going to get better or grow and expand if you don't heal your past. And you need to connect with your heart, with your higher self, with God, whatever you believe in, with the universe, the divine, okay? And you need to, this is just an advice, right? And you need to heal. This theme for you, Taurus, has been coming through quite a few times, that you need to heal, that you need to connect with your heart. You need to open up a little bit. I feel as though that you've been through so many hardships that you've become quite harsh. Like now, that's made you a little bit like rigid and just closed off, detached. Yes, that's your coping mechanism. Yeah, you've been through a lot. You've struggled through your life. And I feel for you. But you can heal, Taurus. You have so much beautiful energy here, positive energy of healing, growing, forgiveness, justice, things getting better, balancing themselves, coming from a place of integrity, doing the right thing. But first of all, healing. And you're not alone, Taurus, okay? You're not alone. You could also have a difficult time asking for help, but ask. Try to ask the people that love you, that surround you, and God, of course, they love you and they want to help you, but you need to ask, okay? You're not going to regret it. Okay, Taurus, that's what I have for you. I hope it helps. And if it resonates, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I appreciate you watching, tuning in. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe. And thank you so much, guys. Okay, God bless you. Namaste.